Nanababakabalin, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Ribs and Chop for the 4th time dito sa may Balibago, Angeles City.
So kung dati guys, si Ribs and Chops order and delivery or pick up and drive lamang siya, now we get to experience yung kanilang dine-in.
Yes, syempre titikman natin yung mga sinaserve nila and excited akong tikman ulit yung kanilang ribs.
If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's
go!
Welcome to Ribs and Chops!
So last time we were here, actually, itong table na to, good for buy and go, ganyan. So pagdating natin dito, nag-add na pala sila ng mga chairs, so they can dine here. May mga konting drinks na rin tayo dito. So in-invite natin yung mga taga Balibago, yung mga school dito. You can have another option for your lunch and dinner. Eto sila. So ayun nga guys, ready yung table natin. Actually Mark, niluto nila lahat ng menu natin.
Yes. So as low as 79.95 pesos,
Yes.
Makakapag-dine-in ka na dito.
I think para sa akin, napaka student friendly nun.
Yes.
No? And the same time, halimbawa, single ka lang na pumunta dito. Single.
Ay, nag-crave ka lang.
Crave ka lang ng barbecue.
Barbecue or
Yes.
ribs nila. Imagine, makakain ka na dito.
Alright, so let's dig in. Anyway, so ayun guys, available din dito yung kanilang mga burger steak. It comes with single burger steak or double for the big boy. Ito siya guys, dalawa.
Ako, unahin ko yung kanilang 124 pesos na meal. Yung kanilang pork chop and yung kanilang burger steak.
Alright, so try din natin. Sa akin naman is barbecue at saka yung pork chop naman nila.
Then
So,
for their side dish naman, so meron kang option kung gusto mo ng mashed
Mashed
potato,
potato?
or yung kanilang corn.
corn. Ayan, steamed corn. Brother, as always, napakalasa.
Yes.
Perfectly cooked. Yeah. Halatang sanay na talaga silang magluto ng mga Texas style barbecue.
So tingnan mo naman itong kanilang one beef ribs. So around 1,300 grams ito. And check this out. Kung
All
paano
of
siya
the bone.
matanggal.
Yay.
Imagine, all of the bone.
All of the bone.
Okay, so let's talk about the price naman ng mga ribs natin. So for the one beef ribs na 1,300 grams plus 2 mashed potatoes, that's only for 1,099.95 pesos. And kung gusto mo naman nung one whole pork ribs, that's only 1,199.95 pesos. Para dun sa 300 grams na pork ribs, plus isang pork chop, plus mashed potato and rice, and that's only 333.95 pesos. Yun. Saan ka pa?
Alright, so syempre guys, added feature yung ambience ng mga barbecue natin dito. When you dine here, expect to have parang smoke everywhere. This is a barbecue house guys, so enjoy nyo lang yun. At least pag uwi nyo sa bahay, sasabihin nila sa inyo, ang sarap mo naman. Alright, ayun nga guys, another great discovery for you to find out dito po sa may Ribs and Chops. Grabe, solid yung mga pagkain natin, bro.
Yes, kung gusto niyo na mag-dine-in ng ribs, ng pork, and at the same time ng barbecues, puntahan lang kayo dito sa may Ribs and Chops, located dito sa may Victor Street, Unit 1. Pinaka-landmark niya, likod siya ng Bank of Commerce, and malapit doon sa Shoeless.
So you can also find it in Google Map at saka Waze, so search nyo na lang po if you wanna dine here.
Kung gusto niyo na pumunta dito, they are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
There you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and when you share it guys, tag nyo yung Where in Pampanga para malike din namin.
Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.